Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Windows build and creating a system restore point so you can roll back if needed. Once done, enable Clear Type and walk the Clear Type tuner. This directly improves subpixel rendering. Next, check display scaling and set primary monitor to 100% or use integer scaling. Fractional scaling often blurs fonts. Finally, install or reinstall fonts into C. /Windows /fonts so they register system-wide and avoid corrupted font files causing poor rendering. Now you move into detailed rendering controls. First, use the Clear Type tuner again and verify registry keys like font smoothing type, and enable font smoothing are correctly set to enable clear type and subpixel rendering. Once done, update your GPU driver and disable GPU scaling options that can rasterize text. This keeps rendering crisp. Also, right-click problem apps. Set high DPI behavior to application or system. Test both. Finally, prefer direct write-aware applications or enable GDI direct write compatibility for modern anti-aliasing. Finish by scanning and repairing system files. Run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix corrupted font rendering components. Once complete, reset Clear Type and reboot, then test fonts in safe mode to isolate third-party interference. If a specific app still shows poor text, reinstall it or change its compatibility DPI settings. If nothing helps, use the restore point you made or consider a clean install. Troubleshooting tip: when fonts remain blurry, check whether display driver or scaling is reapplying after reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.